Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your PayPal on new device. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your new phone, tablet, or computer is connected to a secure internet network. Update your device operating system so the latest security features are active. Open the official PayPal app from your app store, or open a browser and go to PayPal.com. Double-check the website address spelling to avoid fake login pages. If you are on a computer, click Login at the top right of the PayPal homepage. If you are on the mobile app, tap Login on the first screen. Enter your PayPal email address or mobile number exactly as you registered it. Tap or click Next to continue to the password screen. Type your PayPal password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you do not remember your password, select Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. When prompted, choose a verification method like SMS, email, or an authenticator app. Enter the verification code immediately before it expires. If you use two-step verification, complete the second check to confirm it is really you. If PayPal asks to confirm a new device, approve the request from your trusted phone or email. If you see a security question or confirmation screen, answer it exactly as you said it before. On shared devices, do not select any option that says Remember Me or Stay Logged In. On your personal device, you can enable biometrics like Face ID, Touch ID, or fingerprint for faster login. If the app offers passkeys, you can set them up for a more secure sign-in experience. After logging in, review your profile name at the top to confirm you are in the correct account. Go to Settings and check your phone number and email are correct and accessible. Open Security Settings and review recent login activity for anything you do not recognize. If you notice an unfamiliar login, change your password immediately and enable two-step verification. Make sure your device time and date are set to automatic to prevent code and login errors. If login fails, clear the browser cache or reinstall the PayPal app. Then try again. Avoid using VPN or public Wi-Fi during login because it can trigger security blocks. If PayPal temporarily limits access, follow the on-screen steps to confirm your identity. Contact PayPal support only through the official help section inside the app or PayPal.com. Once everything looks correct, you are ready to use PayPal safely on your new device. Subscribe to the channel and like the video for more simple and secure tech guides. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.